Hi guys, Filipina wife abroad here. Welcome back again to our channel. And here on my back is, you can see Chris, and the other side is Ginto. He's just playing. So guys, we are in our backyard. We would like to welcome you again to our gardening spring 2021, and it's gonna be my second time to do the gardening. Yeah, welcome to our premiere. For this time guys, Chris is starting digging because fortunately our seedlings are about to be moved here. So this time guys, I'm gonna help Chris, but before that, I'm just gonna show to you guys like how large we are planning to dig. Just only Chris to dig, but I'm gonna help him. As we are surprised because the soil here on the other side compared to our previous garden, like here the soil is it looks like it's really ideal for our garden this year. It looks healthy. All right, so I'm gonna help Chris. So if you see Ginto over there, our garden is reaching up to there. So that means our garden this year is gonna be double. So we are convinced that we got to plant more and share it with our neighbors, and of course, we can sell it, right? Be practical these days. I'm just gonna show you, of course, the plants or the seedlings that are about to be planted. So for now, I gotta help Chris to cultivate the soil. All right, so see you. Thank you for staying here right now. Welcome to my premiere. Alright guys, so welcome back again. I think this is enough now for what we did today. So we spent just like around 2 to 3 hours today. So we're just gonna continue tomorrow. And we are on our halfway to the what's at the boundary. See you tomorrow again, and stick around. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, Filipina wife abroad here. Again, this is our second day of our cultivation. So today we're just gonna continue. Hopefully we can finish the entire garden, the target garden today. So this morning it rained again. Partly it's good. It softens the soil, so it's gonna be easier just like yesterday. Keep watching guys, and thank you for attending our premiere. So we're gonna finish this today, and we're gonna get you updated with, of course, our seedlings until we plant all of them. So see you around. Hi guys, welcome back. So this time we are almost done, and I gotta show you. So we still need to dig here. So just little left. We're almost done, and after that we're just gonna pour the garden soil, and later maybe we're gonna bring all the seedlings down here. So for now, of course, Chris is taking a rest because he's been digging for an hour now. I gotta continue my tasks. See ya around.
Ginto.
Hi guys, so finally we're done. Yes, congratulations to us. We are finally done with just only the digging and the breaking of these lumps. So and after that we're just gonna refine the soil, and then yeah, we're just gonna plan for whatever plants we're gonna have here. All right, so thank you for watching and stay tuned guys. Thank you for this gardening 2021. Hope I can see yours too. All right, so bye, see you next time. Alright guys, so this is it now. I want you to see what the plants are available here. See you around there. Okay guys, so we already brought them here and we're ready to plant them in there. See you.
Folks, Filipina wife abroad here, continuing her garden saga. This is an unauthorized video. I'm not allowed to be taking this.
I'll just video later the time you already have.
Yeah, I know, you will. This is unauthorized.
Oh, so delete it.
Well, you can delete it if you want to. But I go rogue sometimes. I'm the bad boy husband. Okay?
What a bad boy.
Women love the bad boys.
Huh?
Women love the bad boys. They're not pushovers. It gets them all excited. Tonight when you watch this, you'll think, oh, my husband's a bad boy. How sexy is that?
What makes a bad boy?
Well, two things makes it a bad boy. One, I'm videoing you when you don't want to be videoed. I'm completely disregarding your feelings. That makes me a very bad boy. And two, I'm sitting here doing nothing while you're working. That looks bad.
Well, let's try to find out what the viewers will think about it.
All right, so am I a bad boy by videotaping my wife and sitting here doing nothing while she's working herself into the ground? I don't know, you tell me. But she's making great progress. It looks great. This is going to be a fabulous garden. So last year she had a huge success. This year we're expecting even better things. So look at her beat that dirt. I tell you what, if you don't behave, Ginto, she's going to beat you like she's beating that dirt. That'd be terrible, wouldn't it? Yes, yes, yes.
Alright guys, so look at that. So far this is what I accomplished, and you know, my back is really hurting now. I'm tired, so I still have to continue this today. So I think I gotta take a rest for now. Okay, thank you for coming. If it is your first time, welcome. If you keep coming back to my premiere, I really appreciate it. So Chris gave me my drinks and Ginto keeps annoying me, so for that I get a rest. I hope that you can also show your gardening. Alright guys, so time to rest and have my drinks. So I gotta take a break first and then I gotta keep going. Or maybe let's have a chit chat here for a while with you. Sorry guys, you know what, I look so awful today. I think every time, you know. But I'm a gardener, housewife, so sad. Guys, you know what? This is really wonderful day to do the gardening. Wow, I'm very thirsty. Oh my gosh, my back is really hurting. Wow, so nice. So we are putting, fences for now because our dog is just really messing it up. Am I doing right here? I think so. We already had this last year. Wow, super secure garden.
Hey folks, this is Filipina Wife Abroad's bad husband at work again. Doing a rogue video as she continues her progress. I am so exhausted. I have been cheering her on. Now you don't feel young?
Oh my god. Oh my god. The truth hurts. Hi guys, welcome back again. Yes, finally I'm done planting all our tomatoes and I'm already done today. So we're just gonna continue again tomorrow for our peppers and the eggplant. For the cantaloupe, we're gonna start digging. I don't know when, but they are the back with our watermelon and also the pumpkin. Yeah, I'm just so excited, guys, and as excited as you are here today during my premiere, and I'm always thankful for that, for your continuous support for my channel Filipina Wife Abroad. So guys, thank you so much for attending. Everyone, you're all wonderful and awesome. Hi guys, Filipina Wife Abroad here. Guys, you see this? Yes, this is snow. We did not expect this today. Oh my god. What's gonna happen in my garden? So, I am not sure if I filmed, what we did, but I have a picture of that. But let me go there first, okay? It's already dark and lots of snow now. And I can see that the snow is gradually covering, our ground. Guys, look at that. What's happening in my garden? Now it has snows. So when we arrived from our walk today, yes, we just covered this right away. Oh my god. Oh, I can't take looking at it. So like expecting this tomorrow, my tomatoes are gonna die and I cannot make it, and I have no more tomatoes, guys. I have no more tomatoes, and it's gonna snow all night long. No way. Please, God, stop these. My 40 tomatoes are gonna die. Sorry guys, my voice is crazy because it's really chilling, and now I'm gonna get inside. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, Filipina Wife Abroad here. Welcome back again to my channel. Last night I showed you how strong the snow was, and it was really sudden, guys. So we really went crazy. We really panicked. Who couldn't be anyway, because look at our garden. And I showed you like how we covered it. We did not have our tarpaulin. We just only had this it's Ginto's coverings every time we travel, so we put that in a car. So I think we remedied it partly last night, as you saw in a video. So I just gonna show you, because we fear that we're gonna lose all of these tomatoes, as we don't have any spare of them, spare of the seedlings, because I think we planted this so early. So we're supposed to be planting this, I think, just like on the first week of May, I think, is Well, guys, it's just weather is weather, and it was really unpredictable yesterday. It was just so sudden. In fact, here in Newburgh today, there were really a lot of damages in the garden of, the homeowners around here. So right now, what I'm gonna show you is the condition of our tomatoes right now. They are very little, and they're turning yellow that quickly right now. So I'm just gonna show you, okay? So stay tuned. All right, so we're back. Let's check each of them. So of course, for those who are really familiar with, the growth of seedlings up to the growth, because last year we only bought these plants, but this year we tried to, make seedlings of our own. And so far, actually, not until last night, we are, I think, really doing well, and they are really growing. So, from the fact that we covered this last night, I think these little plants are dying not from the freezing temperature, but also from our cover last night. Like, I think they were damaged. So hopefully we can really make it. So far, guys, it looks still in good shape a little bit, and I hope that the weather would really get better until tonight, and it's gonna be sunshine tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully I can really make it. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Hi guys, Filipina wife abroad here again. Welcome back to this premiere. So guys, thank you for staying. This is it, okay? So this is gonna be the last part of my premiere today. This is just only an update of my gardening. I know that this is not really that big thing for you guys, but for me, I just really want to share, of course, this to my family in the Philippines, and especially my mother because she likes my gardening, and she's excited, and she's always watching my video. That's why I keep posting my gardening, and I really try to update. But if you reach at this point of my premiere today, thank you so much. So again, guys, today is May 18, so I'm just gonna update, of course, my garden right after that. Right after that snow that came here like almost 3 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago. So this is the latest update of my garden. So all right, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is it. As you can see, there are already some sticks there, and fences, because as you can see that there are already big tomatoes. Guys, you know what? They are actually not the ones that I planted. Yeah, they are still very little, but they are really surviving. Yeah, but some are just really, seems like they cannot really make it. But these ones, guys, actually those big ones, he just only picked them up, at a store. Yeah, this is it. Nothing special, guys. Maybe, guys, for my next premiere, I hope that I can really share with you like how many tomatoes we can harvest and we can make from it. That's very exciting. So I think this is really pretty big thing to make, is we cannot just really wait to harvest and to try this again, to eat healthy foods, right, from our garden. No chemicals, we don't spray, we don't put anything in there, just only garden soil. All right, guys, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me till I am done with my premiere. Thank you so much for my loyal friends, for for supporting, for whatever I share here. I know that they are not really that fun, but it really means a lot to me. Like, if you keep coming back, keep supporting me. I just really wish everyone good luck. I hope you can connect to the links I've dropped here. Just do the right thing. Yeah, that's all, guys, and thank you for dropping by today. It's nice to see you Wednesday again, which is my premiere. My regular video is every Sundays. Thank you so much. Please like this video. Again, this is it. This is gonna be the end of my premiere. Filipina wife abroad. See you next week.